Want to speak real German from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at GermanPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Luca. Hallo zusammen, ich bin Luca. Welcome to the German Whiteboard Lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your occupation in German. Let's get started. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have Student, Studentin, Student, Student, Studentin, Student, Studentin, Student, Studentin. Investor, Investorin, Investor, Investor, Investorin, Investor, Investorin, Investor, Investorin. Arzt, Ärztin, Doktor, Arzt, Ärztin, Arzt, Ärztin, Arzt, Ärztin. Lehrer, Lehrerin, Teacher, Lehrer, Lehrerin, Lehrer, Lehrerin, Lehrer, Lehrerin. Schauspieler, Schauspielerin, Actor, Actress, Schauspieler, Schauspielerin, Schauspieler, Schauspielerin, Schauspieler, Schauspielerin. Buchhalter, Buchhalterin, Accountant, Buchhalter, Buchhalterin, Buchhalter, Buchhalterin, Buchhalter, Buchhalterin. Polizist, Polizistin, Police Officer, Polizist, Polizistin, Polizist, Polizistin, Polizist, Polizistin. Forscher, Forscherin, Researcher, Forscher, Forscherin, Forscher, Forscherin, Forscher, Forscherin. Ingenieur, Ingenieurin, Engineer, Ingenieur, Ingenieurin, Ingenieur, Ingenieurin, Ingenieur, Ingenieurin. Autor, Autorin, Author, Autor, Autorin, Autor, Autorin, Autor, Autorin. Therapeut, Therapeutin, Therapist, Therapeut, Therapeutin, Therapeut, Therapeutin, Therapeut, Therapeutin. Architekt, Architektin, Architekt, Architekt, Architektin, Architekt, Architektin, Architekt, Architektin. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the occupations. Find where the occupation is and see how it's used in the dialogue. Bist du ein Arzt? Are you a doctor? Nein, ich bin kein Arzt. Ich bin ein Forscher. No, I am not a doctor. I am a researcher. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that our dialogue followed. Ich bin ein occupation. I am an occupation. The word Student in German can be translated as student in English, but it is a special case. Student only means university students, but the English word student also includes primary and secondary school students. Every occupation in German has two translations, based on the gender of the person that is talked about. A male teacher is called Lehrer, And a female teacher is called Lehrerin. Mostly the female word is the male word with in at the end. But there are exceptions, like Arzt and Ärztin. In today's life, German people try to use more gender-neutral terms, especially when talking about groups of people, because commonly the plural word has always been the male version. That's why you'll also encounter words like Lehrperson, which technically means teaching person, or Lehrkraft, which means teaching power. Do you remember how to say therapist? Therapeut. Therapeut. And how to say engineer? Ingenieur. Ingenieur. Do you remember how to say investor? Investor. Investor. And how to say doctor? Arzt. Arzt. Do you remember how to say student? Student. Student. And how to say researcher? Forscher. Forscher. Do you remember how to say accountant? Buchhalter. Buchhalter. And how to say author? Autor. Autor. Do you remember how to say architect? Architekt. Architekt. And how to say actor? Schauspieler. Schauspieler. Do you remember how to say, are you a police officer? Bist du ein Polizist? Bist du ein Polizist? And how to say, no, I am not a police officer. I am a teacher. Nein, ich bin kein Polizist. Ich bin ein Lehrer. Nein, ich bin kein Polizist. Ich bin ein Lehrer. In this lesson, you learned how to talk about your occupation in German. Thanks for watching. I'm Luca, and I will see you on GermanPod101.com. Auf Wiedersehen!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.